वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धम्
अक्षरमसन्दिग्धं
सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
सारवद्विश्रुतोमुखम्
अस्तोभुम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
स्तोभम्
स्तोभम्
अनवद्यम् च
अनवद्यं च
सूत्रम्
सूत्रं
सूत्रविदो विदुः
सूत्रविदो विदुः।
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता
यत्र
यत्र
प्रवर्तते
प्रवर्तते
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्रागुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
तं ग्रन्थं
ग्रन्थं
वार्तिकं
वार्तिकं प्राहुः
वार्तिकज्ञानमनीषिणः
वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
प्रत्यया शिवसूत्राणि आदेशा आगमस्तथा
प्रत्ययाशिवसूत्राणि
प्रत्ययाशिवसूत्राणि आदेश
आदेशागमास्तथा
आगमास्तथा
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
धातुपाठो
धातुपाठो
गणपाठ
गणपाठः
उपदेशाः
उपदेशाः
प्रकीर्तिताः
प्रकीर्तिताः।
अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
तृतीयोऽध्यायः
तृतीयोऽध्यायः
प्रथमः
प्रथमः
पादः
पादः।
प्रत्ययः
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 परश्च
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 आदिदातश्च
आद्युदात्तश्च
आदिदात्तश्च
अनुदातौ सुप्पितौ
अनुदात्तौ
अनुदात्तौ
सुप्तौ
सुप्तितौ
गुप्तिष्किद्भ्यः सन्
गुप्तिचिकिद्भिः
गुप्तचिकिद्भ्यः
सन्
सन्
मान् बदधांशान्भ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
मान्
मान्वददांश्चाभ्यो
बददांशाभ्यो
दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
धातो कर्मणसमानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा
धातुः
धातोः कर्मणः
कर्मणः
समाधिकर्तिकादिच्छायान् वा
सुप आत्मनक्य च
सुप
आत्मनः
आत्मनः
च
च
काम्यच्च
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 उपमानादाचारे
पमानादाचारे
समानादाचारे
अधिकरणा चेति वक्तव्यम्
अधिकरणाच्चेति वक्तव्यम्
कर्तृक्यं सलोपश्च
कर्तृक्यं स्वलोपश्च
किंसलोपश्च
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः क्विद्वा वक्तव्यः
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः
क्वैवा
कृत्वा
वक्तव्यः
वक्तव्यः
दृशादिभ्यो भुव्युच्वेर्लोपश्च हलः
दृशादिभ्यो
दृशादिभ्यो
भूभ्यश्चैर्लोपश्च
भूभुश्च
हलः
हलः
लोकितादिडाज्ञक्यश
लोहितादिडाज्ञः
लोहितादिडाद्यक्च
कष्टावयक्रमणे
कष्टाय
कष्टाय
क्रमणे
क्रमणे
कर्मणोरोमन्थतपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
कर्मणो रोमन्ततपोभ्यां
कर्मणोऽभ्यां
वर्तिचरो
वर्तिचरो
बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुद्गमने
बाष्पोष्मभ्याम्
बाष्पोष्मभ्याम्
उपमने
उद्गमने
शब्दवैरकलहाभ्रकण्डवेगेभ्यः करणे
शब्दवैरकलहाभ्रगैर्भ्रगैर्भ्रगणे
शब्दवैरकलहाभ्रगैर्भ्यः करणे
सुखादिभ्यः कर्तृवेदनायाम्
सुखादिभ्यः
कर्तुवेदनाय
कर्तृवेदनाय
नमो वरिवश्चित्रहृक्य च
नमो
मोरिवश्चित्तमह्य
वरिवश्चित्तमह्य
च
च
पुच्छभाण्ड शीवराणिम्
च भाण्डचीवराणि
भाण्डचीवराणिम्
मुण्डमिश्र श्लक्षलवनव्रतवस्त्रालकलकृततोस्तेभ्यो निच
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्ष्णलवनवस्त्रलक्षलवस्त्रकालकलकृतोस्तेभ्यो निच
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्ष्मलवनवस्त्रवस्त्रकालकृतोस्तेभ्यो
धातोरेकाचो हलादे क्रियासमविहारेयम्
धातोरेकाचो
धातोरेकाचोहलादिः
हलादिक्रियसमविहारीयम्
क्रियासमभिहारेयम्
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
कौटिल्ये गतौ
लुपसदशरजपजपदगदशगृभ्यो भावगर्हायाम्
उपसदचरजप जपदहदशगेभ्यो
उपसदचरजपदशभ्यो
भावगर्हाय
भावगर्हाय
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातो लश्लोकसेनालो मत्वच वर्मवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो निच
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणतोलश्लोकसेनलोत्तम
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातोलिश्लोकसेनालोत्तमचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो
चवर्मवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो
निच
हेतुमति च
हितमति च
हेतुमति च
खण्ड्वादिभ्यो यक्
खण्ड्वादिभ्यो
वादिभ्यो
यक्
यक्
नृपोदूप विच्छिपनिपनिभ्य आयः
बोधोपविच्छिन्ननिपनिभ्यायः
बोधूपविच्छिपनिपनिभ्य आयः
ऋतेरीयम्
ऋतेरीयं
तेरीयन्
कमेर्णिम्
कमेर्निं
कमेर्निम्
आयादय आदधातुकेव
आयादय
आयादय
आर्धधातुकेव
आदधातुकेव
सन्नाद्यन्ता धातवः
सनाद्यन्ताधातवः
सनाद्यन्ताधातवः
सितासेलृटोः
सितासेर्लृटो
तासेर्लृतोः
सिब्बकुलम् लेटी
बहुलं लेटि
सिब्बकुलल्लेटी
चास्पृत्तयादावमन्त्रे लिटि
कास्प्रत्ययादामन्त्रे
कास्प्रत्ययादामन्त्रे लिटि
यादेश्च गुरुमतो नृत्यः
यादेश्च गुरुमतो
यादेशगुरुमतोऽनित्यः
नित्यः
दयायासश्च
प्रयायसश्च
प्रयायासश्च
उषविदजागृभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
उषविदजागृत्योऽन्यतरस्या
विविधजाग्रभ्योऽन्यतरस्या
बीह्रीबृहवंश्लोच
भिर्भृहुवं
भृगुवान्
विश्वच
श्लवश्च
कृञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
किञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
लिटि
विदां कुर्वन् त्वित्यन्यतरस्याम्
विदान्
निदां
कुर्वान्
कुर्वन्तु इत्यन्यतरस्याम्
अभ्युत्सादयां प्रजनयां चिकयां रमयामकः पाव्यां क्रियाविदामक्रणिति छन्दसि
अभ्युत्सादयां
अभ्युत्सादयां
प्रजनयां
प्रजनयाभ्ययां
चिकायां
भ्रमयामकः
ब्रह्मयामकः
पावयां
पावयां
क्रियाविदां
क्रियाविक्रियां
परिणितिच्छन्दसि
श्रीलुङि
श्रीलुङि
श्रीलुङ्नि
लेखेस्य च
क्लेशि च
शलैकुपदादरिटक्सः
शलैकुपदा अनिराक्षः
श्लिशालिङ्गने
श्लिष
श्लिष
आलिङ्गने
आलिङ्गने
दृशः
दृशः
निश्रीदृसृभ्यकर्तरि चङ्
श्रीन्द्रस्तुभ्यः कर्तरि च
विभाषादेष्योः
विभाषादेभ्योः
उपेश्चन्दसि
यश्छन्दसि
छन्दसि
नोनयति ध्वनयत्यलयर्दयतिभ्यः
नोनयति
नयति
हृदयतिभ्यः
अस्ति अस्यति भक्तिक्यादिभ्योङ्
अस्यति वक्तख्यादिभ्यो
लिपि सिचीह्वश्च
विपेसिचेहश्च
आत्मनेपदेष्वन्यतरस्याम्
आत्मनेपदेषु
पुषादितालुदितः परस्मै पदेषु
पुषादियुताद्यलरिदितः
परस्मैपदेषु
सर्तिशास्त्यर्थिभ्यश्च
सर्तिशास्त्रादिभ्यश्च
इदितो वा
विदितो वा
जुरुस्तम्भु मृचु मृचु गृचु ग्लुचु ग्लुञ्चुष्विभ्यश्च
स्तम्भो मृचो गृचो श्रुभ्यश्च
कृमृद्रुगिभ्यश्चन्दसि
कृम्रेन्द्रभ्यश्चन्दसि
चिन्ते पदः
चिन्ते पदः
दीपजनपदपूरितायिप्यायिभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
दीपजनपदपूरितायिप्यायिभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
अचक्रमकर्तरि
चः कर्मकर्तरि
दुश्च
दुश्च
न ऋतः
नरदः
तपोनुतापे च
तपोतापे च
चिन्भावकर्मणोः
भावकर्मणोः
सार्वधातुके यक
सार्वधातुके
कर्तरि शप
कर्तरि शप
दिवादिभ्यश्यन्
प्राद्भ्यश्यन्
वा भ्राश भ्लाश भ्रमुक्रमुक्लमुत्रसितुटि लशः
प्रमुखमुद्रस्य प्रतिलाशः
यशोनुपसर्गात्
सोऽनुपसर्गात्
संयसश्च
संयसश्च
स्वादिभ्यश्नुः
स्वाद्भ्यश्नुः
श्रुवश्च
श्रुवश्च च
अक्षोऽन्यतरस्याम्
अक्षोऽन्यतरस्याम्
तन्नो कर्णे तक्षः
नूकर्णे तक्षः
हृदादिभ्यश्चः हृदादिभ्यष्टम् तनादिकृम्भ्यः उकु
नादिकृभ्यः
दिन्विकृम्भ्योरच
कृम्भ्योरच
क्रयादिभ्यश्ना
क्रयाद्भ्यश्ना
स्तम्भुस्तुम्भुस्कम्भुस्कुम्भुस्कुम्भ्यश्च
स्तम्भुस्तुम्भुस्कम्भुस्कुम्भ्यश्च
अलश्नश्चानजौ
लश्नश्चानजौ
छन्दसि शायजपि
छन्दसि शायजपि
व्यत्ययो बहुलम्
गत्ययो बहुलम्
लिङ्याशिष्यन्
विन्याशिष्यम्
कर्मवत्कर्मणा तुल्यक्रियः
कर्मवत्कर्मणा तुल्यक्रियः
तपस्तपः कर्मकस्यैव
तपस्तपः कर्मकस्यैव
न दुगस्नो यमां यक्षिणौ
यक्षिणौ
कृषिरञ्जोः प्राचांशन् परस्मै पदं च
कुशीरञ्जोः प्राचांशम् परस्मैपदम् च
धातोः तत्रोपपदं सप्तमीस्थम्
तत्रोपपदम् सप्तमीस्थम्
कृदतिङ्
कृदति
पासरूपो स्त्रियाम्
असरूपो स्त्रिया
कर्तरि शप
कर्तरि शप
कर्तरीशव
अधिप्रभृतिभ्यः शपः
दीप्रवृत्तिभ्यः
विप्रवृत्तिभ्यः
शपः
शपः
हेलो
यस्
अदर्शनं लोपः
दर्शनं
दर्शनं
लोपः
लोपः
प्रत्ययस्य लुक्श्लूलपः
प्रत्ययस्य
यस्य
लुक्श्लुपः
लुक्लुपः
प्रत्ययलोपे प्रत्ययलक्षणम्
प्रत्ययलोपे प्रत्ययलक्षणं
न लवताङ्गस्य
मताङ्गस्य
जुगोत्यादिभ्यश्लुगु
जुहोत्याद्यश्रुः श्लुः
श्लौ
श्लौ
लौ
दिवादिभ्यः
वाद्यश्यन्
वाद्यश्यन्
वाभ्राश ब्लश भ्रमक्रमु क्लमुत्रसि तुटिलशः
प्राश प्राश
वाभ्राशब्रमुद्र
तुलिलशः
त्रुटिलशः
यशोनुपसर्गात्
यशोपसर्गात्
संयसश्च
संयसश्च
स्वादिभ्यश्नुः
स्वाद्यश्नुः
स्वादिभ्यश्नुः
शुभश्नु च
श्रुवश्नु च
अक्षौण्यतरस्याम्
क्षोण्यतरस्यां
तनूकरणे तक्षः
अनुकरणे तक्षः
तुदादिभ्यशः
ताद्यश्नः
तुदादिभ्यश्नम्
उदाद्यश्नम्
तनादिकृन्भ्यः उगु
नादिकृम्भ्यः उ
त्रयादिभ्यश्ना
प्रयाद्यश्ना
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणा तोलश्लोकसेना लोमत्वशवर्मवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो निच
त्यापपाशरूपवीणातुलश्लोकसेनालोमत्वाचवार्मवर्णचूर्णचुराभ्यो निच
हेतुमति च
हेतुमति च
स्यतासि लटोः
शतासीलरलोः
सार्वधातुकेयक
सार्वधातुकेयक
यस्मात् प्रत्यय विधिः तदादिप्रत्यये अङ्गम्
यस्मात्
प्रत्यये तदा प्रत्यये अङ्गम्
अङ्गस्य
अङ्गस्य
को गुणवृद्धि
को गुणवृद्धि
इति च
इति च
धीधि वेवीटाम्
दीधिवेवीटाम्
सार्वधातुक आर्धधातुकयोः
सार्वधातुकयोः
जाग्रो अविच्छिन्नल्
जाग्रो अविच्छिन्नानिलसु
पुगन्तलघुपदस्य च
पुगन्तलघुपदस्य च
What's the last sutra? So, next one is Brijer Vriddhi. Sutra is 72114. Brijer Vriddhi. Brijadhatu will take Vriddhi Sanya. So, 72114, 72115, these sutras are important. 7384 and 7386, these are Sarvadhatuka Adhatuka Yoho. Then 7386, Puganta Lagu Padasya cha. Now 72114, Brije Vriddhi, next sutra also is important, which is Achongiti. Now let us see that 72114. You will see the sutra Brije Vriddhi. Brij Dhatu will take Vriddhi Sanya. Brij Dhatu will take, sorry, no, not Vriddhi Sanya, Kshamita. Brij Dhatu, when followed with Sarvadhatuka, Radhadhatuka, Pratyaya, no, that condition also is not there. Kshamita. That also not there. Brij Dhatu, which belongs to second conjugation, will undergo Vriddhi. That's it. That's what he says. Nothing he says. It will undergo Vriddhi. Now, when it will undergo Vriddhi, Brij Dhatu will undergo Vriddhi, and it is Angasya Adhikara, therefore when followed by Pratyaya. when followed by pratyaya. What pratyaya follows? Either sarvadhatukam or adhadhatukam, because dhatu is a, because the anga is a dhatu. Therefore, the following must be either sarvadhatuka or ardhadhatuka. So that is understood. Even though sarvadhatuka, ardhadhatuka, yoho, it is not that. It is in some other section, 7384. And this is 72114. Angasya adhigare vartate. Therefore, mrijudhatu is yanga. Dhatu is yanga. Should be followed by pratyaya. What pratyaya follows dhatu? Either sarvadhatukum
or ardhadhatu. Ji?
Sorry, some got disconnected. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Now can hear.
Mrijege is Shashti Bhakti Ekavachana. Mrijege. Mrij is a dhatu. Then how you get Mrijege? What is the Pratipadikam if Mrijege is the Shashti Bhakti Ekavachana? Dhatu has to be. Pratipadikam has to be.
Mriji.
Mriji. Ikshtipo dhatu nirdesha. By that. Here I will write that. That is Mrij dhatu. Its Pratipadikam is derived. Mrij dhatu, Mrijege is that. Pratipadikam is Mrij plus Ik, Mriji. That is dhatu to be represented in the form of a Pratipadikam. When the dhatu is to be represented in the form of Pratipadikam, to refer to the dhatu by different, vibhaktis. Then we add the pratyaya, ik pratyaya, ik or shtip. Here ik is added. So mriji is a Pratipadikam. So mrijege means of the dhatu, mrij dhatu. That is mrij dhatu will undergo vriddhi angakarya. When it will undergo vriddhi angakarya, when it is followed by a pratyaya, sarvadhatukam or adhadhatukam. And mrij dhatu angasya adhigare vartate. Therefore, anga, which is a mrij dhatu, will undergo vriddhi. Which will undergo vriddhi? When wherever, vriddhihi iti guna or vriddhi, the word, the adesha is ordained. Guna vriddhi samshabdanena yatra gunadeshaha atava vriddhi adesha bhavati. There ik lakshana guna vriddhi will come. Right? Iko guna vriddhi will come. So mrij dhatu, which letter of the mrij dhatu is ik letter r. So r will take vriddhi. So mrijege vriddhi angasya, meaning mrij dhatu of angasya. Mrij dhatu, which is the anga for the pratyaya, that will undergo vriddhi adesha. It means igantasya sthane. Where is the ik letter? Not igantasya. Ikagastane. Not igantasya. If it is anta, then igantasya. But here anta or adi or middle, it is not like that. It's not specified. Therefore, mrij dhatu will take vriddhi means. Where is the anta? Anta is a consonant. So therefore, dhatu which has got a vowel, r, that is it should be ik letter. Here rikara is a ik letter. The ik letter will undergo vriddhi angakarya. So therefore, ikahastane, not igantasya, ikahastane. We don't have to say ik upada also. That is also not required. Just we can say mrij dhatoho ikahastane. Mrij dhatu has got only 3 letters: makara, rikara, jakara. So which will undergo vriddhi? Only vowel. And also by guna vriddhi, ik letter only alone will undergo vriddhi. Therefore, ikahastane vriddhi adesha bhavati. Simple. So mrijasya, mrijege angasya, ekah vriddhi bhavati. When a pratyaya follows mrij dhatu, it is understood that rikara, which is the ach, which is the equal letter of the dhatu, and mrij dhatu, which is the anga. So anga, which is the dhatu, having the equal letter rikara, will be replaced by corresponding vriddhi letter by iklakshana guna vriddhi, iko guna vriddhi. R will be replaced by R. Purandraparaha. What is the letter will replace? This vriddhi. A, I, au. So A will come. And because R is replaced by A, therefore Epa also is appended to it. Purandraparaha. That's a Paribhasha Sutra. So therefore we say vriddhi letter is R. All those things I think we know. Now let us take lat lakara. Brij plus lat. Brij dhatu belongs to second conjugation adadhigana. Now pratham purusha ekavachana tipratyaya. When tipratyaya follows the dhatu, tipratyaya is sarvadhatuka. Sarvadhatuka pratyaya kartari. Pratyaya pare. Dhatoho paraha. Gana vikrana bhavati kartari shap by that sutra. Shap will come. Now, which conjugation? Second conjugation. Second conjugation, what will happen? Shap will come and shap will become look. Then you may ask, shap is sarvadhatuka pet, can it cause angakarya? It will not. Why? Because the shap becomes look. Pratyelope pratyalakshanam na lumata angasya. By that paribhasha, when the pratyaya becomes look, the angakarya supposed to happen by the pratyaya will not happen when the pratyaya becomes lopaha by look, shlu or lup. Therefore, angakarya cannot happen. Therefore, now we have mrij plus ti. Ti is sarvadhatuka pit pratyaya. Now, therefore, when a sarvadhatuka radhadhatuka pratyaya follows, mrij dhatoho angasya, what will happen? Vriddhi bhavati. By the current sutra, mr will be replaced by r. Therefore, you have marj. Marj plus t. So this sutra is applied. Mrija vriddhi. Please see here. Puganta lagu padasya. Why don't we apply 7386? That sutra comes later. By that sutra, rikara should be replaced by guna letter. Gune prapte. But here this sutra is 17114 is the preceding sutra. When two sutras are simultaneously applicable in a given context, always the later sutra takes precedence. Vipratishede param karyam, right? You have seen. When two sutras have equal applicability, the later sutras will overrule. Now here, Brije Vriddhi is preceding the previous sutra. I mean, it is in second section of the seventh chapter. And Puganta Lagopadasya in the third chapter, in the third section of the seventh chapter. So which is supposed to apply 7386, but 72114 applies. Why? Because it is Apavada. It is Apavada. So therefore, Apavada is stronger than the Parasutra. So this is the order you have to remember. See, Parasutram is stronger than the Purasutra. This is one. And Apavada Sutra is stronger than the Parasutram. Remember. So, therefore, you can write like this. Apavada Sutra is stronger. Apavada Sutram, Parasutram, then only a Pura Sutra. Put together, we can write like this. Compared to Pura Sutram, Parasutram, when there is competition between the two sutras in the same context, Parasutram will apply. Now, Parasutram or Apavada Sutram, then Apavada Sutram it will overrule. Because Apavadam is stronger, please note. Okay. So, therefore, 7386, which is a general sutra. Now, this Apavada Sutra 72114 overrules. Therefore, Vriddhi happens. March. Understand?
Yes.
So, this is the sequence. You can note like this. Now, what happens after this? Marj plus T. Now, Shakara. Okay, how Shakara becomes? This is in the Sutra, Brascha, Srija, Mrija. Remember,
Samsha.
Brascha, Srija, Mrija. This dhatu is there, Mrij dhatu. When followed by Jal or at the end of the Padam, what will happen? By that Sutra, this will be replaced by Muddhanya Shakara. 8 to 36 will apply. That's what is here I have applied. Brascha, Srija, Mrija, Yaja, Raja, Rajacha, Sham, Shaha. Sutra, remember?
Yes.
So, whatever dhatus which are given in the Sutra, and the Mrij dhatu is one Sutra, it is Apavada to Kutvam. Kutvam will not apply. What applies? Shattam applies. By that, Shakara comes. Please note.
Saranji,
Yes, sir.
why this I cannot get why this 2472, why this shop becomes lopa?
2472. Okay. 2472 by the Sutra only. By the Sutra only.
Because this is
Adadigana will take Shap.
this is
Shap
second
gonna become
conjugation.
second conjugation. Adi stands for second conjugation. Adadigana. Adi prabhritibhyaha. Ad, etc. What is that etc.? Etc. is out of context. Don't worry about that. Adi prabhritibhyaha will take Shap. When a Sarvadhatuka. This sutra is not in 3.1. It is in 2.4 section. We have seen this sutra before. Remember?
Yes. I just didn't get that bridge was also second conjugation.
Seventh conjugation.
Second conjugation.
Adi stands for second conjugation. Adadigana.
Yes.
Ad. Pakshane.
I just was not understanding that bridge was second conjugation.
Okay. Ad dhatu is the first dhatu which is there here. Adi. Okay. So Adadigana dhatu will take Shap Pratyaya and Shap will become what? Look. Shap will.
This prabriti in this sutra, it doesn't mean like etc. Like Adi, when we said Adi prabriti.
Yes. Yes. This also I think we discussed. Adi prabhritibhyaha. Prabhriti means not only here, other also. 1 minute, because our sutra, we have seen this. Our number is 201. Our number. We are in this number. Okay. Just go to 201. This is on. Adi pravrtibhyaha. After the verb ad and other dhatus also. Which dhatus is not mentioned? Etc. Will take Shap Pratyaya. Adi pravrti. The Shap Pratyaya which is ordained to the Adadigana dhatu and other dhatus becomes look. That is what the sutra says. Shap comes by the sutra. Kartari sarvadhatuke Shap. Kartari Shap. Then by the sutra 2472, the Shap becomes look. That is why in 2472 in the section. Otherwise, it will be in 3-1. In 3-1 is pratyaya is odd and shap is odd and kartari is shap. Sarvadhatuke pratyaya pare kartari shap bhavati. Then that shap pratyaya for second conjugation and also for other dhatus, prabhritibhyaha, the word prabhritibhyaha referring to other dhatus also. That we are not interested now. Other dhatus also, it will becomes look. Understand?
Understood.
So therefore, the 2472 is applied here. Now we are in the sutra number. Okay, here this sutra number. This sutra 231. Therefore, Shapratya is, please note, Shapratya, Kartari Shap, this is what I have written also. Kartari Shap, 3168 by the Sutra Shap comes and Shap becomes a look by Adip Prabhritebhyaha Shapaha look bhavati 2472. Okay.
Nice.
So by that Sutra, Adadigana Dhatus and also some other Dhatus. What Dhatus? That is not required. Some other Dhatus also will go away. I mean, for those Dhatus also, the Shapratya will become look. That's what he says. Okay. Makes sense? Yes?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Adadigana, it comes. That is what is important. Okay.
Very good. Yes.
Prabhritibhyaha referring to the Prabhritibhyaha referring to the dhatus which will take Shapratya. Those dhatus also. So those dhatus also, Adiprabhritibhyaha, that dhatu also, the Shapratya will become look. That is what he says here. We may not understand which case, which dhatu is in that. That we will know. Okay. We have not discussed. I have not written. That's why I have written simply Adidhatu and other dhatus, other conjugations. Okay. No problem. When we come across that time, we will see. Okay. Right now, coming back here. Otherwise, what are the Prabhuti dhatus? Then we have to, we will get we'll get shifted from this topic to that topic. That is not required for us. You can understand this Adadi, Ganasya, Shapaha, Lukabhavati. That is enough. Now, after that, 8 to 36 is applied. Now, up here, then Shattam happens. After that, Shtuttam will apply. Therefore, Tavarga in contact with Shakara, Tavarga letter. This Murdanya, Shakara letter. Tavarga in contact with Murdanya, Shakara. Therefore, Tavarga letter will be replaced by corresponding Tavarga letter, just Marshti. Therefore, Marshti is the Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam. Marshti. Understand? So, Dhatu Mirj. Mirj meaning Shuddha, to cleanse. We say in Sandhya Vandanam we do Marjanam, Punar Marjanam and all we do, right? What is that Marjanam? Cleaning. Mirj. Marjanam. So,
Yes.
that also, Marjanam also, if you say interesting how the word is derived. See, okay, I will write that also. Marjanam. I will take it as Udaranam too. It is not Mrijanam, it is Marjanam. We see. Dhatu is Mirj Dhatu. and the pratyaya is bhave lyut pratyaya. You can take lyut, bhave lyut. Then lyut is a what pratyaya? Ardha dhatuka pratyaya, right?
Yes.
So mrij plus lyut. When lyut pratyaya follows, what will happen to mrij? Mrij will become, this is not a kit pratyaya, not kit and git or git. Therefore, angakarya can happen. Therefore, mrij will become marj by the same sutra. Mrije vridhihi. Mrij plus you. What will happen to you? You will be replaced by ana. Then after that, what happens? Mar jana. Natvam will not happen because jakara is chavarga letter. Therefore, that is there in between, not permissible letter. Therefore, natvam cannot happen. Therefore, you have marj plus liu, then marj plus ana, you have marjana. Punar marjanam and all we say, right? In Sandhya Vandanam. So this is bhave lyut. Then you will be replaced by yuvo rana kau. Sutra is, I think, yuvo rana kau. Sutra must be 7 and 2. I think must be 712. We remember correctly. Anyway, that sutra is not important now. 712 or
711.
711. Okay, yeah. 11. Marjana. That's why you get marjana. There is no marjana. Marjana. Okay, this is for this. Understand? Another example you want, we can do it. Why not? Marriage plus what pratyaya, what krit pratyaya. You can take some pratyaya which by which angakarya happens, not kit pratyaya. So marriage plus, suppose if we do trich, kartari, nul trichau, the sutra. Nul trichau. If I remember, it is 3, 1, nul trichau, 3, 1, 1, 1, 1, something is that. After kritya pratyaya, it comes nul trichau, 144, 133, something. Nul trichau. I write randomly 133. It must be around 133 something. Can check later. Then what will happen to Trich?
Yes, 313.
Yeah. What will happen to the Dhatu Mrij because of the Trich? Trich is Kartari. So Mrij will become Marj. Marj plus Tr. Pratyaya is content is Tr. Okay. Now what will happen? Marj plus Tr. Next step is Marj plus Tr. Dhatu is Set. Then what will happen? Marj plus Trich. Dhatu is Set Dhatu. In fact, weight dhatu. Okay, let it be weight, no problem. So therefore, ittagama, yeah, ittagama will come,
Yes.
right? Optionally. So we will have two forms. Dhatu is given as weight. So with it, without it, both forms will do. If it is without it, is easy. That is here and here it is just through. Marj plus itra, marj itra, nothing happens. Already we have done Angakarya marj, and itra, then marj itra. This becomes, I'm writing now everything one step. Marj itra is one form, and here no ittahava, marj plus tricha. So marj will undergo like what we saw before. This will undergo shatvam. After that, shatvam, tutvam. Then it becomes shatvam, and after that, tutvam. Therefore, the form will become, takara will be replaced by takara.
Yes.
So marshta, so marshta, marshtaro, marshtaraha. That is the form. then marjitru, marjita, marjitaro, marjitaraha, referring to the person who cleans, marjtru or marjitru. Okay. The point here is Mrj Dhatu, even though followed by other Dhatuka Pratyaya, unlike other Dhatus, even Rasvai Kupada will take Guna, here it is not. By this Sutra, Vriddhi alone will happen. That is what this is Sutra says. Rajay Vriddhi. When a Pratyaya follows Mrj Dhatu, the Dhatu, the equivalent of the Dhatu will undergo Vriddhi Angakarya. Right? This is special for Mrj Dhatu. Then, understand?
Yes.
We can keep adding many examples, but this is enough. Maybe here I have write a note. Mrij Dhatu, here itself. Dhatu Mrij is the property that we can write. Dhatu Mrij. The sense of Shuddhav. And which is in the which conjugation? In the second conjugation. Adadi. Adadigana. And Dhatu is Parasmaipadi. And it is Vet Dhatu. Ittagama will come optionally. This is the property of this Dhatu. So with this property, we can do all the Angakarya.
For Nishta Pratyaya.
Okay. Nishta Pratyaya, what will happen? Nishta Pratyaya Kit.
So,
therefore, Angakarya is negated. You can do it. By Giticha, Angakarya will be negated. Mrij plus. If we suppose we had Nishta. Ektavatu Nishta. So Dhatu is Nishta Pratyaya Vishay. Say it on it. Anit Dhatu already we have said it is a Ved Dhatu. Right? When it is Ved, for Nishta Pratyaya, it will be Anit as a rule. You are not seen. Don't worry about that. When a Dhatu is Ved, then for Nishta Pratyaya, it has to be Anit only. Therefore, only one form we will have, not two form. This is by a Sutra, Yasya Vibhasha. We don't know what it is. I will just write simple way. For Nishta Pratyaya Vishaye Anit Bhavati. This is just for our understanding. I'm writing. It's a Sutra, Yasya Vibhasha. But we don't require now. Don't worry. Angakarya cannot happen. Therefore, what will happen? Mrij plus Ta. And therefore, Mrij will become Mrish. And Mrish will become Mrishta. So 8 to 36 by that Shatam happens. And Vishtuttam 8 to 41, I think. This is Vrashya, Vrashya, Sruja, Mrija, Yaja, Raja, Braja, Cham, Shaha. Then this is by 8, 4. 41. Yes, becomes Vrishta. Therefore, form is Mrishta. Right? Mrishta. Mrishtaha, Mrishtau, Mrishtaha, Mrishta, Mrishte, Mrishtaha, all these are possible. And Tavatu will be Mrishtavan, Mrishtavanto, Mrishthavantaha. Understand?
Yes.
If you want to have another, this is Apavada too. So please note here, no Angakarya. This is Vyatireka, Angakarya will not happen. For that, this is example. I will write. Angakarya Nishedaha Niti Pratyaye Pare. For that, Udaharanam. This is one example. You can take the example of Tva Pratyaya also. What will happen? Tva Pratyaya. Udaharanam 5. Mrij plus Tva Pratyaya. Tva also Kit Pratyaya. Right? Therefore, what will happen when Tva Pratyaya follows? Angakarya will not happen. Kitvat. Right?
Yes.
So in that case, what will happen? This is Tva Pratyaya. And the Dhatu is said. Therefore, here we will have two forms. Only Nishta only and it, but not here. So therefore, Mrij, with the Ittagama is one form. Without it, another form. That is Tva. So here Mrij plus Twa, what will happen Mrij plus Twa? Vachaspati, last class we saw. Remember, 1 to 26. You don't know, we are not in detail. For Twa Pratyaya, say Twa Pratyaya follows, it will optionally be Kit. Therefore, we will have two forms. Therefore, it will undergo Angakarya. It becomes March. Remember,
Yes.
Natwa said, not 1 to 26, 1 to 18. Remember, you will see that. Don't worry about that, Rama.
Okay.
So you'll
Okay.
see that
I don't
later.
remember this.
I have not taught this to you, but in other class I was telling this 1 to 18. When Set Twa Pratyaya follows, it will not be deemed to be Kit. Therefore, Angakarya happens. This is a good example. Therefore, this is not Angakarya Nisheda. I should. Where to put this is a problem now. Should I put before or after this? So 1 to 18, by that, Angakarya is happens. The Kittam is negated, therefore Mrij becomes March. Therefore, we can apply our current sutra. What is the current sutra number? 7 to 114 will apply. 114, right? Vijayavriddhi. Yes, that will apply. In this case, it will apply. Therefore, you have Majitva. Whereas in this case, what will happen? Mrij plus Tva. There it is no Itagama. Therefore, there Angakarya will not happen. So this will Angakarya happens, whereas here no Angakarya. Two forms are there. So therefore here Marjitva, one Rupam, and here Mirj plus Tva, this will undergo Shatvam, and Shatvam will undergo further Tutvam. Therefore here two forms, Mrishtva. So here it happens. 7 to 14. 114. 7 to 114. Whereas here no Angakarya. So atra Angakaryam कृत्वा अत्र no Angakaryam na bhavati. Angakaryam na. Okay, two forms. Understand?
Yes.
Anyway, we will see. We will not understand everything now, but this much is enough. Okay, like that we can keep on doing all the pratyas. There is no end, but we'll stop here.
Okay.
Okay.
But this is only two forms with 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 the Twa.
Twa pratyaya, there is a rule. Maybe this 1 to 18. Whenever the pratyaya is set dhatu, right?
Yes.
I mean, when the dhatu is said dhatu and the pratyaya can take a itagama, valadi adadatuka pratyaya can take itagama. So when you have said twa pratyaya, the dhatu has to be said, then only pratyaya also can take itagama, right? Then that the twa pratyaya will not be deemed to be kit because it is not a kit. Therefore, angakarya will happen. This dhatu
Okay.
being a wait dhatu with itagama one form, without it another form. When it is there, it becomes set. When it is set, then twa pratyaya will not be considered to be kit. Therefore, angakarya happens, marjitva, one form. And when it is not anit, then no angakarya possible. So therefore, mrishtva, iti another rupa. Okay.
This
Hmm.
this 1 to 18 is not optional.
No option. When it is
Okay.
set, then this 1 to 18 by that kittum is negated. Therefore, the pratyaya becomes akit. Therefore, angakarya happens. We'll talk about
Yes.
that when context comes. Don't worry about it now. Next one is Achogniti 72115. I think we'll see in the next class. Only one sutra we saw today. It's okay. Is it clear? Achogniti we will do later because I have to go to the class now. 2:45. We'll stop here.
Okay.
But Vajaspati, you can connect with what we saw in the last class Saturday. Remember,
Yes.
na twa set. If you want to see the Sutra Pata, Rama, you can see. One to
Yes,
section.
I think you mentioned one time because I have it marked here.
Yeah. 1 to 18. That's Sutra. Na tva set. Set. Na tva means for this. What is Anuvritti? Vachaspati. Isab. What is Anuvritti? Tva. Na. Set tva. Na what? Na. Kit
Nakit.
bhavati. Kit is coming as Anuvritti. Asanyoga. The lit kit. From 5. Up to goes up to 26. Now this is 18 Sutra. So, twa said na kit bhavati. Therefore, Angakarya happens. And 1 to 26 also, we saw in the last class. But anyway, the context will come. That time I will explain this. So, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnamadachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate.
Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Oh, okay. Bye bye. Abrazo.